Honorable Speaker, sir. Today, on the basis of our His Excellency Governor speech, I would like to add some points. We have heard about the development of our state. That is very clear vision. We are also very happy to be part of that. But one thing I cannot understand, that the development of whole state or the development except Korbu or remotest area and all. Since I am the representative of Korbu, so I have to mention about the Korbu constituency or the residents of our Korbu. No, let me finish first of all. Let me speak. One village, the name of village is Matai Kami. Road connectivity is not connected, neither they have got drinking water facilities, not the electricity facilities. So another village is Bormatila. Drinking water, shortage of drinking water, they are suffering. And not only Bormatila, another point I have got, that is the holy place, since this is very much renowned, of Tripura, Tirthamuk, under the village of New Gumti. Still, they are not having connection of what is called network connection.
Excellent.
Still, neither they have got BSNL, Airtel or something else. And another BC named Muksoli. These two BC are totally isolated of Tripura state, I can say. So please, I would like to request our Honorable Speaker to pay concerned minister, Honorable Minister, to pay attention regarding this remotest area. So it will be so that all the common people should get the beneficial, what's called convenient or benefited. Thank you for that.